If CapCut is showing error code 249, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through the quickest fixes to get your project exporting again. This issue can happen when CapCut runs into problems with your device performance, storage, or export settings, and the good news is that you can usually solve it in just a few simple steps. So if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is disable hardware acceleration on your PC. This is one of the most common fixes for CapCut error code 249 because sometimes the app has trouble using your graphics hardware during export. To do this, open CapCut and go to the menu, then click Settings, and then open the Performance section. In this area, look for the option that says Speed up hardware encoding. If that box is checked, uncheck it. After that, click Save to apply the change. Once it's saved, close CapCut completely and restart the app so the new setting takes effect. This simple change can often remove export errors caused by hardware conflicts. Now, if you're still getting the error, the next thing to check is your storage. CapCut needs enough free space on your device to render and export video properly, and if your storage is almost full, the export can fail with error code 249. So take a moment to check how much free space you have available. If your drive is close to full, delete unnecessary files, clear out old downloads, or move large media files to another drive or cloud storage. Even freeing up a few extra gigabytes can make a big difference when exporting large or high-quality projects. After clearing space, try exporting your video again and see if the issue is gone. If the problem continues, the third fix is to lower your export settings temporarily. Sometimes CapCut error code 249 appears because the project is too demanding for the current export settings. For example, if you're exporting in 4K, try lowering the resolution to 1080p first. You can also reduce the frame rate if needed. This is a great way to test whether the export problem is being caused by a heavy project setting. If the export works at a lower setting, then you know the issue is related to performance, and you can gradually raise the settings again once everything is stable. This step is especially helpful for longer videos, complex edits, or projects with lots of effects, overlays, and transitions. To make the process easier, always try these fixes one at a time. Start with hardware acceleration, then check your storage, and then lower the export settings if needed. That way you can figure out exactly what is causing the issue instead of changing everything at once. In many cases, one of these three steps is enough to fix CapCut error code 249 and get your export working normally again. If you've made it this far and the video is helping, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and lets you know when more CapCut fixes and editing tutorials are posted. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment below and let me know what device you're using and what export settings you tried, and I'll try to help. So just to recap, if you want to fix CapCut error code 249, first disable hardware acceleration in performance settings, then make sure you have enough free storage, and finally lower your export resolution or frame rate to test the export. These steps solve the issue for many users and can save you a lot of frustration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.